How to fix printer sharing not working in Windows 11. So if you're trying to share a printer across your home or office network and keep running into connection errors with different codes or network access denied, you're not alone. Recent Windows updates often block network printing protocols for security reasons. Let's fix this. So first, let's ensure Windows allows your PC to discover and share devices on your local network. So you just open up your settings, click on Network and Internet right here. On the left menu, select Advanced Network Settings. In the bottom, ensure your network profile is set to Private Network. And in here, guys, you just need to find Advanced Sharing Settings. Okay, and ensure that your network profile is set to Private. Onto private networks, switch the toggle for file and printer sharing to on. Right here. I don't use this, so I won't do it, but in your case, just do that. Next is expand all networks and switch password protected sharing to off. Okay, like this. And this is for if you want seamless access without account prompt errors. And next, now let's verify that the background service is responsible for network discovery and printing running properly on the main host computer. So open up your start menu and search for services. Okay, then once you're here, scroll down and find function discovery provider host. Let me just scroll to F. Function, there you go, this service. Right click on each one. You need also function discover resource publication. Okay, this one. And you right click, go to properties. Then you make sure that startup type is set to automatic. Right here, automatic. And then you can just start it right here. And same thing here, properties, set it to automatic and apply and save. And then scroll down and find print spooler, this one, and do the same thing. Okay, enable it and set the startup type to automatic. Try these out. This should help you out. Enjoy, guys, and see you soon.